Hi, I'm Abisola O, and I'm applying for the position of HR specialist at Community Energy BC. I'm interested in this position because I believe that my HR skills, competencies, and experience will enable me deliver impactful, sustainable, people-focused solutions at CEA. Specifically, I can help the organization deliver HR policies, initiatives, and processes that aligns with its core value of going beyond. For example, I can assist with the recruitment of individuals whose passions and purpose align with creating a sustainable environment for future generations. Also, I can assist with talent management strategies that have sustainability at the heart of its focus. I also contribute to initiatives that continue to reduce our environmental impact and footprints in the community. For example, creating avenues for volunteering in the areas of recycling, green energy, reduction of carbon emissions, and so on. Aside from my valuable HR experience and professional certification, I've also had the opportunity to manage a renewable energy team, which has given me a core understanding of the business and given me insights to how I can add value at Community Energy Association as a HR specialist. Thank you for the opportunity to interview with you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.